Welcome to part 14 of the Angular from Scratch video series, and in this video we're going to talk about using pipes in Angular. And for this simple demonstration, I'm going to add a custom pipe to my Angular app. The purpose of a custom pipe is to add some custom formatting on our data. So basically what I'm going to do here, I'm going to add a custom pipe to the title right here. The title is currently whatever, but what I want to do is I want to just show the W here. So basically I'm going to trim the rest of this string just as a simple, somewhat silly demo, I guess. But let's just see how pipes work in a very simple example. So to begin, inside the app folder, I'm going to add a new file and I'm going to name it trim-str2.pipe.ts. All right, so I named it str2 just because the first attempt was a bit of a fluke, and now I've got everything already coded, so I don't really want to have to adjust my code here. So let me just paste this in, and I've got an import of pipe and pipe transform, and then I'm using the decorator at pipe. I'm giving it the name of trim-str2 so that it's sort of in line with the file name itself. And then I'm exporting the class of trim-str2, which implements pipe transform that we just imported. And here we've got the transform method that takes a string and returns a string. It has the take first one variable declared, which basically takes this string's first letter and returns the value of take first one. Pretty simple code. So let's now see how we can consume it in the actual app component HTML file. Well, actually, before we can even do that, I need to go back to the module and import my new custom pipe. So right here on line 10, I'm going to import trim-str2, and then VS Code auto completes the rest. So now I just need to add it to the list of declarations. So right here I'm saying trim-str2, and now I can use the pipe as needed. So back in my app component template file, I can just do title and then use the pipe character here and do trim-str2. And now I can go file, save all, and I'm going to get a W. And of course, it's now easy to play around with this. For example, we can go substring 05, file, save all, and now I'm going to get the first 5 letters. So pretty handy stuff. One use case perhaps could be if you were coding some kind of a blog that has a limited number of characters as the extracted text, and then you have read more button to click to open the entire text. So some kind of a preview where you need to trim strings to a specific length. And of course, you can also just add additional characters here, for example, ... or whatever custom characters you like. So let's click save all again, and that's what you get here. So yeah, that's it. Pretty easy stuff. A simple implementation of a pipe in Angular. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next one.